Hello to all our subscribers, viewers, and everyone who supports this channel. Today we're bringing you what we think is one of the most elegant of the Tri-5 Chevys, the 1956 Nomad. You guys will love this one. Tastefully modified yet highly detailed, traditional modifications yet utilizing ultra-modern componentry. Basically, a perfect blend of old and new would accurately describe this stunning Nomad belonging to Karen Arellano from California. We met Karen and her husband Gary during the incredible car show held in Riverside, California at Benedict's Castle this past May. Although there were hundreds of amazing cars all over the grounds that day, we were instantly drawn to this extremely well-detailed and properly displayed classic Chevy. Karen and Gary were very welcoming and accommodating as we recorded this video, and you'll see just what a challenge it was to keep spectators at a distance. Many people just had to see this well-built car up close, and they didn't want to wait. But who can blame them? Just see for yourself what a stunning ride Karen has with this hot-rodded Tri-5. Now, let's go for a ride. Hi everybody, this is Tom with If This Car Could Talk. We're coming to you from the beautiful grounds at Benedict's Castle in California. And we're out here today looking for unbelievable cars, and there's many here, but we did find this beautiful 56 Nomad that we know you all will like. So let me introduce you to Karen, who owns this beautiful car, and she'll tell you all about it. Here you go, Karen.
Okay, this is my car, my 56 Nomad that we got. We found it up in Paso Robles, just outside of there. It wasn't finished, but it was painted, and that's the thing that caught my eye, was the color that it has on it. And so I'm a big fan of the 56 Chevys because that's what I learned to drive on in Illinois back when I was 14. So my grandfather had them, and that's what I learned to drive. So I have to have the big steering wheel. I have to have all the nice creature comforts of the world now. So I have air in it, and I have power steering. So, and my husband put it together for me. So there, what's better than that?
And he is right here with us.
Good morning.
We're both from Burbank Road Kings. I'm the president, and this is my trusty person.
So Gary, tell us a little of the details.
Well, it has a Corvette 1990 TPI fuel-injected motor, 700 R4 transmission, the vintage air and heat, Matson radiator and cooler. It's got aftermarket A-arms, aftermarket rear end. It's been a body off, frame off restoration, so everything's been done from top to bottom.
And it's got
semi-custom
crowns on
seats.
the...
She even has the little crowns, Velstim covers for the Road Kings Car Club.
Look at that, that's awesome.
So...
Shout out to the Road Kings.
Yes, and she's got really simple, nice interior.
So we've just been showing it for show to show.
And how long has she been done?
She's been done for a year and a half.
Does she have a name?
She does, Little Red Wagon.
Little Red Wagon. All right, everybody,
Awesome.
This is why we bring you these features, because these cars mean so much to so many people, and we thought you'd want to see them today. So we'll take a walk around and show you some more. And See? We said this was one impressive Tri-5, and we know you'll agree. The Arellano's got everything about this classic Nomad dialed in perfectly. The body style, the colors, meticulously restored original trim, the killer stance, the beautiful wheels, the comfortable and stylish interior, and more. It's pure perfection. We're sure the original designers will be pleased to see how Karen preserved the original integrity of the design and enhanced it ever so slightly to knock people out whenever it's driven or shown. Both something this hot rodding couple do quite often. Thanks to the Arellanos for allowing us to bring you this beauty today. Tell us in the comments what you guys think, or maybe share a memory about a similar car you once had or would like to have someday. Next week, we're bringing you another impressive and rarely seen car that few people have ever even seen in person. It's on the opposite end of the spectrum than this Nomad. It's a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 two-door hardtop, factory lightweight, whose sole purpose was to hit the drag strips across America and win accolades and ultimately sales for Ford Motor Company. It's a rare one of 50 ever built and is under the respectful ownership of the famous Ford drag racer Les Ritchie's nephew, John Corellius. John will give us a thorough walk around of this stunningly preserved quarter-mile warrior next week. Don't miss it. Until then, stay safe and stay cool.